We're going to explain how to find your VPD number on your payslip. This can be tricky because the exact location varies depending on your employer and the payslip's format. There isn't a universal standard, so we'll cover several possibilities. First, understand what a VPD number might represent. It usually stands for Voluntary Provident Fund, a retirement savings plan. Sometimes it might be abbreviated differently, like VP Fund or a similar variation. Therefore, don't only search for VPD, but also look for terms related to retirement savings or your employer's specific terminology for it. 1. Check the main deductions section. Your payslip likely has a section detailing all deductions from your gross pay, your earnings before deductions. This section often includes items like tax, Social Security contributions, and other deductions. Look carefully through this list for anything mentioning VPD, VP Fund, Provident Fund, or similar terms. The number associated with this item is likely your VPD number. 2. Examine abbreviations and codes. Payslips often use abbreviations and codes to save space. If you can't find the full term, scan for any abbreviations that might relate to your Provident Fund. These might appear as a code next to the deduction amount. 3. Look for explanations or a key. Some payslips include a legend, glossary, or key explaining the abbreviations or codes used. Check for this section. It might clarify the meaning of any unfamiliar codes and help you identify your VPD number if it's listed as a code. 4. Consult your employer. If you've exhausted all other options and still cannot find your VPD number, the most reliable method is to directly contact your payroll department or HR. They can clarify what the relevant codes or entries mean on your payslip and confirm your VPD number. 5. Check your online employee portal. Many employers provide online access to employee information, including payslips and details about deductions and savings plans. Log into your portal and check your payslip or the section dedicated to retirement savings or Provident Fund details. This often provides a clearer and more detailed breakdown than a printed payslip. Remember, your VPD number might not always be explicitly labeled VPD number. Look for terms related to your Voluntary Provident Fund contributions or retirement savings and the associated numerical value. If you have difficulty locating it even after trying these steps, don't hesitate to contact your employer for assistance. They will have the definitive answer.